Luke 12. Fear only God. Plenty people gather around Jesus, come dey waka, jam one another. So Jesus come tell him disciples, make una shine una eye well well because of the Pharisee people wey dey pretend. Anything where people hide now go come out for public, and anything wey dey secret now God go bring am out. So anything wey person do for darkness go come out for light, and anything wey person talk for secret, people go shout am from on top house. I tell una wey be my friends, make una no fear people wey fit kill person, but dem no fit do pass that one. But make I tell una who una must fear. Make una fear the person wey get power to throw una inside hellfire after e don kill una. Yes, I tell una true word, na him una must fear. Not be 2 coins they dey sell 5 sparrow birds. But God not dey forget anyone among them. See, God know the number of hair wey dey on our head. So make una no fear, because una better pass many sparrow birds. I tell una true word, anybody wey stand up for public say he know me too go stand up for am for where God angels dey. But person wey reject me for where people dey, me too go reject am for where God angels dey. And anybody wey talk bad about man pikin, God go fit forgive am. But person wey talk bad about the Holy Spirit, God no go forgive am. When them carry una go synagogue or go meet governors and people wey get power to judge una case, make una no worry about how una go defend una self or wetin una go talk, because the Holy Spirit go tell una wetin to talk when that time reach. Landlord Parabol. Then one person among the people come say, Teacher, tell my brother make he divide the property where our papa die leave for us. But Jesus ask am, my friend, na who make me judge for una two matter? Then Jesus tell them, make una guide against long throat, because not be wetin person get for this life go save am. So Jesus come tell them one parable. One rich man pluck plenty food from him farm. So he can't think for him mind, say, wetin I go do now? Because I no get anywhere to keep all this food where I pluck, so. Then the man say, I know wetin I go do. I go scatter my store, come build new big one where I go keep all my food and other things where I pluck. Then I go tell myself, you get plenty food where go last you for many years. So make you go sleep, chop, and drink. They enjoy yourself. But God can't tell the man, you be fool. This night you go die. Then who go get all these things where you don't gather for yourself? Na so e go be with person where they gather money keep for himself, but in heart not dey with God. Make una no worry. Jesus tell him disciples, now I dey tell una, make una no worry about una life, wetin una go chop, or cloth wey una go wear for body, because life good pass food, and our body better pass cloth. Make una think how birds be. They no dey plant or pluck. They no get where dem dey keep food put, but God dey give them food chop. If God dey care for them, what about una wey better pass them? Which of una go fit add 1 hour join in life because e dey worry? So, if una no fit do this simple thing, why una dey worry about the others? Make una think of how flowers dey grow. They no dey work or make clothes for themselves. But I tell una true word, even Solomon, for all the glory wey he get, he no dress fine reach flowers. If God dey dress flowers wey e dey today, and people go cut am, throw for fire tomorrow, that God no go fit care for una. Una faith small well o. Make una no dey worry about wetin una go chop or drink. Na because of all these things, people wey no know God dey worry themselves. But una Papa for heaven know say una need them. Instead, make una first struggle to enter God's kingdom, and God go give una all the other things. Make una no fear, una wey be small sheep, because una Papa go happy to give una the kingdom. Make una sell everything wey una get and give the money to poor people. Bag wey no go tear, make una take am gather better things for heaven, where thief no go fit reach and city no go fit spoil am. Because na where your property dey, na there your heart go dey too. Savant wey get faith. Make una ready to serve God, and make una light dey shine every time. Make una be like people wey dey wait for their oga to come back from party, so that when he knock, una go quick open door for am. The servant wey im oga go come back, come meet am dey work, make e happy well because the oga go prepare himself make e for serve the servant food for table. Make those servants happy well. Even if the oga come for 9 or 3 o'clock for night, come see say they never sleep. But make una know say, if the owner of the house know when thief dey come, e no go let the thief break enter in house. Una must dey ready too, because man pikin go come when nobody dey expect am. Then Peter ask am, Oga God, na only we you dey tell this parable, abi na everybody? Jesus answer, who be the manager wey get sense and no dey do wayo? Na person wey the oga put make e care and give the other servants their food for the right time. the servant wey im oga come back come meet am dey do im work, make e happy well well. I tell una true word, the oga go say make e care for all im property. But if that servant think for im mind say my oga go take small, and dey begin beat the other servants, whether na man or woman, e come dey chop, dey drink anyhow, then the oga come back for the day when the servant not think say e go come. The oga go punish that servant, come lock am for where dem dey keep wicked people. The servant wey know wetin im oga want and e no do am, they go flog am well well. But the servant wey e no know wetin im oga want and e do things wey go make dem flog am, dem go flog am small. Person wey God give plenty things to, e go ask plenty things from am. And the ones wey God give plenty, e go ask double from them. Jesus' word divide people. I bring fire come this world, and I wish say the fire don dey catch. E get one baptism wey dem go baptize me, and my mind no go fit rest until e happen. Una think say na peace I bring come this world? No, I come divide una. From now go, family wey be 5 go divide. 3 go dey against 2. 2 go dey against 3. Papa go dey against im son, and son go dey against im papa. Mama go dey against im daughter, and daughter go dey against im mama. Husband mama go dey against im pikin wife, and wife go dey against im husband mama. How to understand wetin go happen? Jesus tell the people, anytime una see say the cloud dey go west, una dey know say heavy rain wan fall, and true e go fall. And when una see breeze dey blow from east, una go say heat go dey today o. And na so e go be. Una wey dey pretend, una fit talk how the weather go be, but why una no fit talk wetin dey happen so? Pay wetin you owe. Why una no dey talk wetin dey good for people to do? If you and person get case and una go court, make you try settle with am for road, so that e no go drag you go meet the judge, wey go give you to soldiers and then go throw you inside prison. I tell una true word, you no go comot from there until you pay all the money wey you dey owe.